प्रकृतिका कोटि कोटि सम्पदाको आचला वीरहरूका रगतले स्वतन्त्र अचल ज्ञान भूमि शान्ति भूमि तराई पहाड हिमाल अखण्ड यो प्यारो हाम्रो मातृभूमि नेपाल बहु जाति भाषा धर्म संस्कृति छन् विशाल अग्रगामी राष्ट्र हाम्रो जय जय नेपाल।
Hands cover up, hand side, hands up, hand side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now all of you be ready for school song.
From this way.
Hands cover up. Hands side. Hands up. Clap your hands. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now I'd like to call the respected person to deliver their speech.
Namaste and good morning everyone. Principal, principal, vice principal, principal, brother, sister and dear my friends. As you know, I am Samik Chaudhary standing in front to deliver certain speech on the topic of the cow. Before starting my topic, I can thank God who organized this type of program with youngster continuous level of the student. My topic go like this: the cow. A cow is the national animal of Nepal. Cow is a domestic animal. Cow has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 horns, 2 ears, and long tail. Thank you.
Namaskar, Namaskar and very warm good morning to everyone. It's me Anul Adhikari from grade 8.
Address everybody. What everyone? This is school. Address your friends, teachers, principal, vice principal, who is there? Huh? Again.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brother, sister and my dear friends. It's me Anul Adhikari from grade 8 standing in front of you to participate or give a memorable day speech. Now without wasting your time, I like to start my memorable day. My memorable day is of one year before. It was the date of 2017 or SAR 27. It was a joyful day with my friends. My friends immediately planned for a movie, but there was not a serious function in my home. I do not want to disappoint my friends, so I take out the sometimes and join with them. And we are 3 people, Divagora, Bires and me. We are very excited for the movie. It was an English movie named Thor Love and Thunder. It was very glorious day, and we enjoy a lot of things. We collected money, and we collected money for everything, every movie, and after the movie we also plan to go fun park. Thank you. Have a good day.
Namaskar and good morning to respected Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Sanyam Pumel from grade 9. Today I am standing in front of you all to share my experience of memorable day of my life. Now my topic goes like this: my memorable day of my life. There are many unforgettable days in my life. One that really stands out is when I went on a road trip with my family. It was such a spontaneous adventure filled with laughter, music, and endless memories. We drove through breathtaking landscapes. We stopped at charming little towns and explored hidden gems along the way. The best part was the bonding experience we had during those long hours on the road, sharing stories, singing our hearts out, and just enjoying each other's company. I will always cherish the road trip and the special connection we formed. It's moments like these that make our life so beautiful and worth celebrating. Hope you all like my experience of memorable day of my life. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hands cover up. Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now I'd like to call Vice Principal Sir to give some information.
Thank you, Sridhar. Stand at ease. Attention. Cover up. Hand side.
hands up, hands side, hands down. Standard is. So, how many days are left for picnic? 1 day. Tomorrow morning we'll go. And information about tomorrow's picnic, it will be given to you in School of Assembly. And did you remind your parents about result or not? So it will be distributed from 11 a.m. During evaluation test, we just simply call the guardians and provide those grade sheets and tested papers. But during third term or terminal examinations, what do? We call both of these people, guardians as well as children. Study is very important. Please don't make too much noise inside the class. And today it's quite cold. Aren't you feeling cold? So don't move here and there. You can stay inside the class and get warm. Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. Clap together. This is the way to enhance the heat energy inside the body. Clapping means getting more excitement as well. When we are happy, then only we'll clap. Look at that Dawari, how is he clapping? You check whether you are producing better sound or not. More louder. Hands side, hands down. Standard is. Again, no rhythmic sound is hard. Attention. Standard is. Nikisa Mananda. Are you touching the ground with the help of left leg and this again moving it towards the right? Bang on the ground. Standard is. Attention. Become opposite. You were in standardities, I said standard means you have to remain the same. Attention. Cover up. Hands side. Hands down. Standard is. Attention. Okay, Mars time.